Hi everyone, it's Teacher Jen again. Welcome to InWorld School. I, I. You, you. Running, running. He is running. Sitting, sitting. She is sitting. Singing, singing. She is singing. Drawing, drawing. She is drawing. Reading, reading. She is reading. Cooking, cooking. She is cooking. Eating, eating. He is eating. Drinking, drinking. She is drinking. I am drawing. I am sitting. I am reading. I am drawing. I am sitting. I am reading. You are. You are dancing. You are running. You are singing. You are dancing. You are running. You are singing. She is. She is reading. She is drinking. She is eating. She is reading. She is drinking. She is eating. He is. He is cooking. He is running. He is singing. He is cooking. He is running. He is singing. The dog is reading a book. The dog is reading a book. The cat is eating a strawberry. The cat is eating a strawberry. The cheetah is running fast. The cheetah is running fast. The dog is sitting on a toilet. The dog is sitting on a toilet. Ha! That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.